Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday and we are headed to the Boyce Thompson Arboretum. It's 9:30 right now and it takes about an hour to get there from where I live. But I'm really excited because the weather is gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be in the 60s today. I wanted to do something outdoorsy while the weather is nice because I think from here it's just gonna keep getting hotter. Anyways, I have all of my bags packed and we are ready to head out. Alright, so we just parked and we made it here. So far it looked really pretty, like on the drive in. But I think now we have to go get our tickets. But I'm really excited. I was looking online before the trip and they have a lot of different gardens, and so I'm excited to see those. I think there's also like a bridge somewhere and just a bunch of different like hiking paths that you can take and you can just like look around. But my parents are actually gonna meet us here and they're bringing Peanut. I'm really excited for her to like see everything and smell everything, and I think she'll be really excited. I'm also really surprised that I've never been here before because it's only an hour away, which isn't that far, and the first time I heard of this place was through social media. There were people posting about it in the fall time because I guess the colors change and it's really beautiful here, but that's the first time like I ever heard about it, and ever since then I've been wanting to come and visit. So I'm really excited to see everything that they have. It looks like they also have some picnic areas where you can go eat. I didn't bring like a prepared lunch or anything, and I think next time if I plan it better more, then I can do that. I think it'd just be like a really nice way to spend the day, to come here, bring your lunch, take a walk, and then eat in the picnic area. That just sounds so relaxing. I brought some options. In terms of sweaters, I have this ASU sweater, and then I also brought this button-up cardigan. I think I might just take the cardigan for now so that I can wear it open. In the sun it feels nice, but it is I feel a little breeze, so I can see how it can get a little cool in the shade. Did you not recognize us? Alright, so we got our tickets and they also gave us a map and kind of recommended the best path to go. We were just sitting in this entrance area. Baby, hey, it's okay, girl. Do you want to hold her? Babes, it's okay. I think she's just excited. So we were just hanging out in this entrance area and waiting for my parents to get here. So they're here and oh my god, look at those dogs. Look at that dog. What the heck? That's so cute and fluffy. Yeah, my parents got here and there's so many dogs. Like a lot of dogs. They're so cute. Two. It does smell good. Give it a good smell, baby.
Smell.
Smell it.
Smells good.
You smell it.
There you go.
Which is perlite.
Oh, okay.
So they crush it up, put it in an oven, and it pops up like popcorn.
Oh, wow.
And it's such high grade, they use it to filter. Hello. They use it to filter beer and wine.
Oh, that's what it's for.
Marble which I found 10 miles south of here.
Wow.
You know, kind of
Watermelon
cool.
marble.
Yeah, kind of like it.
That is nice.
This is peridot, off of the Santa Carlos Indian Reservation.
Okay.
So it's a semi-precious stone.
Wow.
And this, one of our docents said this is one of her COVID projects.
Oh, okay.
So she's got copper, she's got fool's gold, petrified wood, and on the back here there's amethyst.
Oh, yeah.
And you can find all these here in Arizona.
Wow. Is there any turquoise close by?
Boy, turquoise is the toughest thing to get.
Oh, yeah.
Chain puss.
This looks like a chain piece. Thank you. We're in the cactus garden right now, and there's just a lot of cute paths you can take off from the main one, and it's so pretty. There's all sorts of cacti, I guess. I'm at a little like dead end right now, but yeah, it's so nice.
That's pretty.
We're maybe a third to a halfway through the whole loop, and it's really pretty. We're on this trail. We went by I think it's called the Picket Post House, and then the trail kind of winds down, and we're kind of going down into this little valley area, and it looks like there's gonna be more shaded trees down there, but there's so much to look at. I thought this shaded area was super cool. There's like a really big tree behind here, and there's like a little bench too, and I feel like this would be a very peaceful place to just sit and relax and just watch nature around you. I'm also trying to capture some photos and videos for my Instagram account. So, I don't know. I'm having a really good time though. It's so peaceful out here.
Wow.
I know.
Maybe anyways.
We are currently walking through Pine Loop, and it is very serene out here. And you can just hear the birds, the trees. It's really nice and shaded. It got a little hot while we were walking on the top area because there was no shade. And then we came down into the valley, so there's a lot of shade and it got a little bit cooler. I'm glad I chose to layer today. The weather seems perfect though.
Wow. I'm out.
Sign.
Probably see a butterfly
Oh wow.
from this side.
Wow.
Peanut. That's her.
Now it's
Iris is called Iris. Right there. Really. Yeah, that's important.
oh, cute. Oh, cute.
See it huge?
So we got done at the Arboretum and there was a lot to see. There was a lot of different like side areas to look at. We didn't look at everything, but I feel like we saw the majority of everything and it was really pretty there. So I ended up just getting a membership. Admission was $25 per person. The membership was $75 for 2 people. And so I paid like $50 for admission for 2 people, and all I had to pay for the membership was $25 more. I don't know, I feel like it made sense because this place is pretty close. It's not too far from where we live, and I feel like we could come back, look around more, and you do get access to other like arboretums or gardens and whatnot. And I believe there's one in Flag and Tucson, so it'll be good there too. It's 3:16 right now and we are headed back through Phoenix and we're gonna go get something to eat. Hello, today is the next day. It is Sunday. The Arboretum this weekend was really fun and I'm really glad that we went. Alright, so I am going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and following along with me on my little adventures. I will see you guys next time. Bye!